Drove down to East Texas, visited my grandfather for Father's Day. So he is the one that pretty much helped to raise me. He's like my dad. So when my dad was not there, and 82 years old, and his siblings, he's got four living siblings that also came over, and some of their family members, and we had this huge cookout, this huge barbecue. And I pretty much documented the days that I was there. Day 1, day 2, day 3, just kind of showing some behind the scenes, the cookout, the prep, and all of that. And I used TikTok. So I wanted to do a test. I wanted to do a test with TikTok to see if I could get a video or two to go viral. And I did that. And I'll share some more details on actually what I did here in a little bit.
But first, before you share your details, not everyone probably is familiar with TikTok.
Sure. And TikTok is an additional app, another social media, more so video. It's a video platform. This is the app that a lot of people use to do the dancing, a little short dancing, and you can get a lot, millions of views from TikTok without any advertising, meaning the type of content you create, music you use, and they give you all these suggestions on the app, as well as how often, the consistency of these videos that you do. And you can do the 15 up to 60-second long videos. So for those of you that don't know about TikTok and maybe how it works, that's just a little bit about it. So, and Carla, you've been on there a little bit as well, right?
A little bit, but I did notice that it's fun. It's a really fun app. And you really kind of have to take the time and create the video, the most popular and highest trending video, it seems like,
right,
to get a lot of views. But I enjoy it, just being on something different than Facebook or Instagram, something new and different.
Absolutely. Well, there is a purpose to it. And what I found that has been very helpful, and what I'll do is I'll share the analytics. I went ahead and pulled them up, and you guys are going to like this. So, and how many of you are on TikTok now? If you're on TikTok, just type below, yes, I'm on TikTok. So if you're not, type no.
That's a good question. See how many people are actually on it.
Yeah, and if you're watching the replay, go ahead and put below. I'm really interested in seeing who all is on TikTok, and if you're using TikTok, have you played with it at all, or if you're aggressively using that. So type yes or no in the comments below if you are using TikTok or if you are not. So what you're looking at now, and can you all?
So I'm sorry, just to so for TikTok, because there's so many different social media platforms.
Mm-hmm.
What specifically would you say TikTok is used for? Is it for a direct lead gen, or is it for branding more? What would you say?
Great question. And we have someone that says, yes, they're using TikTok. Awesome. Good. I would love to know your results, as far as, are you getting more followers? Or are you getting people to reach out to you? What type of results,
interaction are you
getting? Please share that below in the comments if you don't mind. And what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and answer Carla's question concerning the purpose of TikTok, and just from me learning and continuing to learn and get more knowledgeable about TikTok. And the purpose is, it's really, number one, out of all, I believe, the social media platforms, that includes Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, from my understanding and from my observation, you can go on TikTok, create a video, and it blows up, where you get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views without paying any type of advertising dollars. So, and why that's so significant is that, and I've also, I've heard other people say, well, yeah, you can get all these type of views and people to interact, but what about the leads? And think of TikTok like this. You're able, if TikTok likes your video and you're getting engagements, like shares, TikTok is going to say, oh, okay, cool. This video's hot. So now we're finna open up the floodgates a little bit and give this video more exposure to individuals that are interested in whatever hashtags that you use for that video as well, right? Similar interests. And once they open that up, then the video has the opportunity to go viral. And that's exactly what happened with one of the videos that I posted right here at the top. Hopefully you guys can see. But this video,
Yeah, I can see it.
okay, I simply titled this video, or in the content, it says, "My grandfather built this water fountain and had me turn it on. Almost done." And the
Well,
hash.
actually, you had several
Mhm.
little series of videos. That's not the first one, is it?
This is not the first one. And like I said, I did. Let me see. But the first one, the
Go
second
down to
one.
your first one. Yeah.
So the first one at the top, the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So all of these top 10 videos here have had the most views. And they're all videos that I did when I was in East Texas this past weekend. And I believe it was for several reasons. One of the reasons, and I'll start with the one that went viral. One is because of the hashtags. I was consistent pretty much with the hashtags for all the videos. I hashtag Father's Day, hashtag FYP, which is a very popular hashtag for TikTok. And it's, for virals, for videos that people want to get out there to potentially go viral, this is a hashtag you use. Also, I hashtag family time, I hashtag viral, I hashtag East Texas because that's the location, and I hashtag cookout. So these are pretty much the consistent hashtags I use. There's a few others I used, but for the most part, all of these hashtags I use, and I kind of traded out a few here and there. Now, from this video, so far, it's got over 60,000 views, 60,000
Wow.
and something views,
Yeah.
3,617 likes, 72 comments, and 8 shares. Now,
Wow.
I know that some people are saying, okay, that's cool and all that. That's great, but did you get any leads? Did you get any deals? Well, I haven't had anyone to hit me up and ask me if they want to buy a house, sell a house, or interested in any type of coaching, that I also, do for real estate investors. But what's happened is people that don't have a clue to who I am was able to experience this 60-second video of myself interacting with my grandfather and him showing me how to turn on the water fountain to a custom made water fountain that he built in his backyard. And the comments have just been, wild. Like, oh my God, that's cool, that's awesome, blah, blah,
Mhm.
blah.
I
So
saw
now
that.
people
Yeah.
that got that glimpse, of
And
that
there's people who said
interaction.
your grandpa is awesome. They really liked your grandfather.
He's amazing. Thanks. But for people that want to know information, it's like, oh, that's cool. I want to know more information about her. So now what they can do and what they have done is on my TikTok profile, they can either click and follow me on Instagram, or they can go to my YouTube channel and check me out on YouTube. And since posting these videos, over the last 7 days, my followers on my YouTube channel have gone up, and also on my Instagram. And on my TikTok, I was at 309 followers. Now I'm at 500. So it was a nice jump, without having to pay for any type of advertising to get additional exposure,
Right.
like you would have to do for paid advertising to do.
Exactly. And and really for 60,000 views, what would we pay for that type of
Um,
advertising?
you can, depending on which platform, you could pay a pretty penny. So, but the fact of the matter is, it's free.
Right. And
So,
it was only what, 3 days, 4 days,
yeah, it was
or
3 days,
3 days?
and I believe what also helped these videos and the other videos to have 5,000. There's one with 5,000 views, over 3,000 views, 2,800 views. Was the consistency. I posted at least 3 videos per day, so I was aggressive. 3 videos per day. I used the same similar hashtag, and I was storytelling. So, and the people got into the story because when I did day one was that day full of
Mhm.
what we were doing: backyard prepping, cleaning the pit, me power washing the pit, all that. And then I got my mom involved. I got clips of my uncle and all of that. So people really got into the process
Right.
of
I did too. I was
things.
watching it myself.
Yeah.
I really
So
loved it. And it's great. I mean, think about how many times people plan their kids' birthday party and stuff like that and don't think to record it.
absolutely.
Hmm.
So, and you have to
That's awesome.
understand in this particular day and age of social media, people really, they don't always want to see, hey, you can buy
Business.
sell a house, give me a call. You have to be more effective.
Balance it out.
You have to balance it out, and you
Hmm.
have to share a little bit, of your life on the inside. And it's journaling. You can journal your life, and just show even your business, kind of the back end of a few tasks and things that you do. Or if there's a significant event that's going on in your life, whether it's celebrating a mother or a grandparent or a newborn child or grandchild, people like to see that, and it humanizes you, and it also gets people to know you and be like, wow, that's pretty cool. She's in real estate, or she's flipping houses or whatever, and she also has this amazing grandfather, or she
Right.
also is taking care of her mom and still
Yeah.
working the business, and growing the business, having success or whatever. So,
Yeah.
and people like that because it encourages them and it motivates them as well, and it's authentic.
It's authentic.
It's
Yep.
authentic.
That's awesome.
So,
And also, another plus about TikTok is you can download that video once you upload it, and it has the TikTok little sign on it or whatever. And that's kind of
mhm,
popular too.
mhm,
When you upload that to Facebook Stories or
mhm.
any other platform, it uploads all of the changes that you made or the effects that you added to your video, and it gets a lot of views that way.
Well, absolutely. And the cool thing is, you don't have to have any external type of editing apps for TikTok. You can shoot a video from TikTok, or you can record a video just from your camera on your video, and you can add it onto TikTok. And TikTok have different type of effects, and where you can add music, and they have an awesome discovery search where you can see other trending videos and hot music that you can use for your videos to create content on the platform. So, and like I just showed you guys, there's analytics on the back end, so you can see what videos are doing very well, what videos are hot, the type of content that was popular for, that a lot of people liked, or more people liked, that you can continue to create and get ideas from. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And when I saw that, I was like, okay. So now what we're doing, we just kind of like yesterday and today, we just went right into storytelling of, work. We're back at work or doing deals. We're back from working with family. Want to learn how you can, you know, uh, flip houses or do real estate investing virtually. Here's a tip. So we're rolling right into what we do from the weekend. So, and I can see how effective it's been. But that's just to give you guys some ideas, and also to give you some tips. So, Carla, did
Cool.
you want to add to that?
No, I think you just said it all.
So
That was
we had
cool.
somebody that said yes, they're using TikTok. I would love. I
Hmm.
don't know if they're still on, but I would love to know. How many videos have you put up? And are you doing it consistently? Are you doing like one video a week? Are you doing one or two videos a day? Um, I've learned with TikTok, you got to put the content up at least. You got to do at least two, maybe three videos a day.
That's a
So
lot, but it's
yeah.
good if you can, do put really quick, short little videos up there. I know I get a lot of views. I've gotten up to, I think my highest view is about 700
Hmm.
from just a walkthrough of a community, a video of a community, and with the voiceover,
Yeah.
and that's still more views that I would have gotten, any other time for free. So
Right. And
um,
it's just the consistency of doing it.
yeah,
But I was just sharing those tips. Now too, more so of what you can do to work on getting the count up.
right,
To help to help your videos go viral. So
that's right.
it's the type of content, it's
Hmm.
discovering and using
Hmm.
even the music that's popular. You can do that, and you can discover that and get ideas from TikTok itself and the
Yeah.
hashtags. So the hashtags are important as well, and also the consistency of posting
Of doing
2 to
them.
maybe
Yeah.
3 videos per day if you can.
Woo.
But it will, just from my test over the weekend,
Yeah.
you see the results of that. So
Yes.
the
Your
number
video
one,
went viral. That's
yeah,
awesome.
yeah, the most views on that one video was
Uh-huh.
60,000, and it's over 60,000, and it's still going. So I check it periodically because I think
Yeah.
yesterday was at like 57,000, and today it broke over 60. So who knows?
So it just goes to show that no matter how involved you are in it, that really depends on you and your motivation. But just doing it, just creating your account and start posting what you can will increase your views just by having it, just by doing it.
Yep, just by doing it. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, and that's mainly what I wanted to share. And is
Cool.
there anything else? I think that's it.
That I want to share. I'd like to
Mhm.
share. Yeah, I
Go
just
ahead.
really quick,
Yeah.
that we, have some investment properties available. We've had some relationships with an individual who has some properties that we are wanting to, if you have a buyer who's an investor, or if you have someone who's retail and they have cash, let us know and we'll, see if we can get you some properties that are off market right now. So, business has been pretty good. I don't know how's business for you guys. Um, for us, it's been pretty well. Still working with buyers and sellers who aren't sure if they can sell their homes and buy a home, but as you guys know, they can also work with a builder on that.
Mhm.
So definitely want to have you encourage people, if they fit the criteria, to go ahead and jump in there, because they don't expect it to change. I think I read some articles that they don't expect the interest rate to change for another couple of years, right? A year or two.
Well, 2023. I'm not sure
Mhm.
which quarter, but
So,
that's kind of been the consistent,
mhm.
information that we've been reading and getting as well. So yeah, I mean, there's still opportunities. It's a lot of opportunities out there. You just have to.
Don't
Um,
slow down.
that's right. That's right. And stay active and consistent with your marketing. Active and consistent with your marketing, with your follow up. Also, partner. So if you don't have any deals, partner with other investors, partner with other realtors. See if there are any clients that they have that is just way off on what they want, and maybe it's an expired listing, and they can call you up and say, hey, this is expired, but the seller's motivated. This may be an opportunity for you. So continuing the network is going to help you as well to get business. So
Yeah,
awesome.
that's great. So did we welcome all of our new members?
Oh, go
I think
go
we
for it.
jumped right into business like we normally do,
I know, right?
but we are so happy and thankful for each of you who have opted in to join our group. And so we want to welcome our new members,
Welcome, welcome.
and please comment below. Let us know if you're a realtor or an investor in the area that you service, so we can get to know each other and possibly work together on some things. But our group is growing. We like to keep it a private just so that you feel comfortable, posting your videos and, sharing them with us so we can help you get more comfortable. Um, or just share it. Share it whenever you post it. Just share it in the group. But we just wanted to say thank you for joining and watching us every Tuesday. And if you're watching this replay, type a replay in the comments. And
Yes.
if you have a question, let us know. We'll be happy to answer it for you.